Alright, people. I think the only thing I do not like about Yellowstone National Park is that if you spend the night, it's most likely going to get down to 35 degrees or lower. And I'm not joking. Like, I'll let other people give their input on how their night went too. But the reason why I'm doing, as you can see, I'm in my tent right now, because I just don't want to go outside right now. Some people have left to go shower and different things, but not me. No, it's freaking cold. I'm not going to shower yet. I will shower, but, you know. We're going to spend the whole day, again, in Yellowstone. That means tonight is going to be another cold one. But tomorrow morning we'll get up and head to Glacier. But today it's just going to be another fun-filled day in Yellowstone.
Life is a journey. Everyone has a journey. The people we meet, the places we go, and the things we do mold who we are. The journey began when 4 dreamers decided to use their talents and abilities to make a difference in the world. People always talk about what they wish they could do and the dreams that they have. You can sit back and watch it pass you by, or you can get up and go. So we're at our second day in Yellowstone. We spent the morning through Hayden Valley, Lamar Valley, went up to Mammoth Hot Springs, got some lunch, and now we've made our way to our last stop, which is Yosemite Falls. I don't really have to say much. You can kind of see it for yourself. So this is considered the Grand Canyon of Yellowstone. This is the upper. There's also a lower falls that we're going to go visit as well. But this is one of my favorite spots here for sure. So we are actually going to go get our Enos and go to Yellowstone Lake and chill before dinner. And we're going to go to bed early because we got a long day tomorrow, long drive.
Hello, Is that good?
That's good.
I'm Allison and I'm on the trip. And we are Enoing except for Mary Pat and Whitney. Mary Pat's sending emails and Whitney's around here somewhere down on the beach. But we are on, what is this? This is Yellowstone Lake. And it's absolutely gorgeous. So yeah.
Journey here. Thanks for watching.
Hope you guys enjoyed the videos. Click that subscribe button down below to watch more awesome videos.
Check out our website for sweet merch, blogs, and awesome content.
And if you're on social media, make sure that you're checking us out on Facebook and Instagram.
Like us, share us, wear us.
Journey signing off.